Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream in a gag cooking event. First, let's gather some truly unexpected ingredients. Think about items that might seem odd but could surprisingly work together, or perhaps create a truly memorable, if not delicious, experience. Next, ensure all your cooking equipment is sparkling clean and ready for action. Finally, set up your cooking space to be both safe and incredibly entertaining for everyone involved. Now for the fun part, mixing. Carefully combine your chosen, perhaps bizarre, ingredients in a large bowl. Whisk everything together until you achieve a surprisingly smooth consistency, even if the flavors are wild. Don't be afraid to add a secret edible gag item, like a tiny pickle or a sprinkle of chili flakes, to truly surprise your tasters. Remember, the goal is entertainment and a memorable experience, not necessarily gourmet perfection. Next, it's time to freeze your creation. Pour your unique mixture into an ice cream maker, or for a more hands-on approach, a sealed plastic bag. Surround your container with a generous amount of ice and rock salt. This helps lower the freezing point significantly. Now, churn or shake vigorously for about 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it reaches a firm, scoopable consistency, perfect for a gag reveal. Finally, the moment of truth. Scoop your unusual ice cream into small, individual servings. Present them with a flourish and observe the priceless reactions of your brave taste testers. This is where the gag truly comes to life, whether it's a surprising flavor, an unexpected texture, or just the sheer audacity of your creation. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy the laughter and the memories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.